This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off your active status on Facebook. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To turn on or off your active status on Facebook, you want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the little icons up here, and the messenger icon, this one right here, you want to click on this. Then you'll go down to the three-dot menu right here. Click on the three-dot menu. Then you'll go down to where it says active status. As you can see, my active status is currently turned off. I'm going to click on it. Now a little dialog box pops open asking me if I want to turn my active status on. I'm going to turn it on. It gives me a couple more options here. I could have active status on for just some or active status on for just others. You would click on edit to select the people, but overall the setting is right up here. This toggles on or off your active status. Then you would go down to the bottom, click on save. That is how to turn on or off your active status on Facebook. Thanks for watching.